Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize your experience in the feed on the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app, and here we have the feed with posts from the people that we follow or that are recommended to us. And now let's say that while we are scrolling, while we are watching, we find the post that we are not interested about. Let's say it's this one. We find the post in the top right corner. There are 3 dots. We tap on it, and then at the top we find this little sad smiley face. If we tap on this, then it's going to signal to the X app that we are not interested in these kinds of posts, and it won't show us any more of these. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.